How to use the electric oven and stove. To use one of the stove burners, simply turn the dial to your desired temperature. As you can see, when one of the burners is on, the surface light is illuminated. Similarly, if you wanted to use the oven, you simply turn the dial to your desired temperature. At that point, the oven light will come on. To turn off the burners, simply rotate, as well as with the oven. Should you need to clean the burners, you can grab onto them, lift up, and pull out. As you can see, the connectors come out. You can now take out the dish as well. Replacement is much the same. To clean the oven racks, you can pull them out and wash them, and then place them in like so. That concludes how to use the electric oven and stove.